Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can send videos by seeing documents in WhatsApp. Friends, please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp app on your phone. After which you will need to go to the chat section. Next, select the person you want to send the video to. And now, to send the video as a file or as a document, you will need to tap on this plus next to the message bar. Next, select a document. Then choose from photo and video. This will take you to your gallery where you will need to select the video. Then send. And as you can see, thanks to this action of the video, it has been sent as a document. Thanks to this sending video to WhatsApp, the quality of the video, it will not deteriorate and will remain the same as it was. Because if you send video in normal format, then the quality usually suffers, especially if the video is so big and voluminous. Friends, this is the simple way you can send video as a document in WhatsApp. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to see you soon.